Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to tell you how to plot a sine wave in a graphical user interface. So let me open guide, create a blank GUI, expand the layout a bit. So the input I'm going to provide for the sine wave is a frequency value. So let me use an edit text box similar to our previous example. And I'm going to erase the property so that it remains blank. Now to indicate it as a frequency, let me use a static text box to the left and name it as a frequency. There you go. And to plot the sine wave, I'm going to use a push button. And I'm going to change the string for this push button to plot. And finally, to actually plot the sine wave, we are going to use the component axis. This can be used to display any graphics. You can either plot waveforms or you can display images. So the axis is going to help with displaying graphics in our GUI. So that's our plot now. Let me save it. I'm going to give the name sine plot. Our program has been generated. So before going to the program, let us check our handles. There you go, the tag names. Edit 1 for the edit text box, axis 1 for the axis, and push button 1 for our push button. So the process has to be initiated while pressing the push button, so we have to look for the push button callback in our program. So here it is to the last. We proceed similar to our previous example. We are going to get the frequency value. So handles.edit1, and the default property is string. So we have to convert it to a number, so string to number. Now we have obtained the frequency. Let me define a time range for our sine wave. So I'm going to use 100 samples in the range 0 to 1. The next step would be to create our sine wave. So sine 2 pi a t. Our sine wave has been created. The next step would obviously be to plot the sine wave. So we have to first call the axis. So to call axis, we have to use the function axis. Axis of handles.axis1. Axis1 is the tag name. So axis of handles.axis1. This calls the axis window in which we are going to plot our sine wave. So plot B. So let me save the program and run it. Now let me give the frequency 10. There you go. Changing the frequency, you can get different plots. Hope you like this video. Please comment if you have suggestions. Thank you.